In this video, we will explore the 5 best car key programmers for 2026, breaking down their features, compatibility, and real-world use cases for locksmiths and technicians. This guide helps you choose the right tool for modern vehicles and advanced security systems. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. MUCAR VO6 OBD2. The MUCAR VO6 OBD2 diagnostic tool offers full system diagnostics for over 126 car brands, covering engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, TPMS, and body systems. It provides professional-level ECU insights, making it a powerful choice for both DIY users and small workshops. With 28 reset functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, battery registration, DPF regeneration, throttle adaptation, airbag reset, and IMMO key programming, all features are fully unlocked and free for life, eliminating ongoing costs. For advanced users, the VO6 supports ACU coding and active testing, also called bidirectional control. Functions like modulating the throttle, activating the radiator fan, or testing window and mirror actuators can be performed directly from the device. The tool is built on an Android-based system with a 5.99-inch touchscreen, 2 GB of RAM, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring responsive operation and easy online update. Smart VIN recognition automatically detects your car model, simplifying the diagnostic process. The MUCAR VO6 is designed for durability with shockproof and dustproof construction, suitable for workshop use. Real-time data display, graphing, report generation, and data playback make troubleshooting more efficient and precise. Its portability allows for on-the-go diagnostics, whether maintaining a personal vehicle or managing a small fleet. By combining dealership-level diagnostic capabilities with a user-friendly interface, the MUCAR VO6 offers a professional, reliable solution for anyone looking to perform comprehensive automotive maintenance without the expensive service fees. Number 4. XTOOL InPlus IP616. The XTOOL InPlus IP616 is a full-system automotive diagnostic tool designed for both professional workshops and advanced DIY users. It provides lifetime free updates, removing the need for subscription fees. The device accesses all major vehicle systems, including engine, ABS airbag, transmission, and more, while supporting 34 reset functions such as oil reset, EPB throttle adaptation, DPP-PP, PPF regeneration, injector coding, battery management, and suspension reset. For advanced security operations, the IP616 offers comprehensive IMMO key programming, including reading PIN codes, adding new keys, and disabling lost keys. It also supports EEPROM functions for module programming and chip-level diagnostics. Unlike many diagnostic tools, the IP616 allows 8-in-1 live data graphing, enabling real-time monitoring of parameters such as mass airflow, oxygen sensors, and transmission temperature. Data can be recorded, played back, and shared efficiently with customers or colleagues. The IP616 is compatible with over 10,000 vehicles, including post-2018 FCA models using FCA AutoAuth, and supports DOIP and CAN-FD protocols. It covers sedans, SUVs, minivans, and light-duty trucks across American, European, Asian, and Australian markets. Running on Android 10 with 2 GB RAM, 64 GB of storage, a 7.3-volt, 2,500 mAh battery, auto-VIN scanning, and one-click Wi-Fi updates, it ensures fast and seamless operation. Additional features include unlocking hidden functions, print-ready diagnostic reports, multi-language support with 23 languages, and a 3-year warranty, delivering dealership-level diagnostics without the dealership price. Number 3. Autel MaxiIM. The Autel MaxiIM KM100X is a professional smart key and immobilizer programming tool engineered for speed and reliability. Equipped with a 5.5-inch high-resolution touchscreen, it runs on Android 9.0, powered by a Rockchip PX30 processor with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. Lifetime free updates ensure the device remains current without subscription fees. Using Autel's iKey, the KM100X can generate new keys in 60 seconds for over 700 vehicle models. It supports IMO key programming via OBD for more than 90% of vehicles, including major brands such as BMW, Volkswagen, Toyota, Honda, and General Motors. The device also offers transponder reading, editing, cloning, and key renewal across 20 protocols, supporting 8 key series and 37 models. Auto-VIN scanning, frequency detection, and key unlocking for 36 makes further enhance its versatility. The KM100X works seamlessly with the MaxiIM CVC i200 Bluetooth interface, allowing direct key simulation and immediate IMO programming after key generation. It also handles Toyota 8A all keys loss scenarios without requiring an external emulator. The device is powered by a 4,950 mAh lithium polymer battery, supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, and includes 2 universal keys and a hard-shell carrying case. With intuitive guidance, industry-leading coverage, and support for 21 languages, the Autel MaxiIM KM100X provides automotive professionals with a fast, reliable, and comprehensive key and immobilizer programming solution for a wide range of vehicles. Number 2. ANCEL DP500. ANCEL DP500 is a 2-in-1 Android-based diagnostic tablet focused on key programming and instrument cluster calibration. It features a 7-inch touchscreen running Android version 5.1.1, driven by a quad-core ARC3128 processor and a 3,800 mAh lithium battery that supports use. For key programming, this tool handles adding and erasing keys, all keys lost recovery, reading security PIN codes, EEPROM chip reading, and remote matching. Coverage includes manufacturers such as Ford, BMW, General Motors, Toyota, Renault, Hyundai, Volvo, and additional brands, with support reaching models up to year 2020, making it suitable for daily locksmith and diagnostic tasks. Instrument cluster calibration capabilities allow reading and writing of instrument data, EEPROM, and flash memory. Supported brands include Chrysler, Fiat, Porsche, Mazda, Lexus, and Volkswagen, covering vehicles up to 2019, enabling accurate mileage and cluster data management. Beyond programming and calibration, the tablet provides 11 special service functions. These include oil service reset, anti-lock brake system, bleeding, gear learning, electronic parking brake adaptation, steering angle reset, injector coating, suspension matching, and diesel particulate filter regeneration, offering broad maintenance coverage from a single interface. One-click updates through Wi-Fi, remote assistance support, and a multilingual system with English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Polish, and Russian ensure smooth operation and precise diagnostic feedback for professional automotive environments. Number 1. OTOFIX IM1 Car Key Programming Tool. AutoFix IM1 is a professional car key programming and diagnostic tool designed for locksmiths, automotive technicians, and advanced do-it-yourself users. It combines advanced immobilizer services with original equipment-level diagnostics for more than 10,000 vehicle models worldwide, including support for modern communication protocols like DOIP and CAN-F. The platform includes 2 years of free software updates, keeping coverage current as new vehicles and systems are released. Immobilizer functions include reading security PIN codes even when all keys are lost, generating and learning new keys, resetting and adapting immobilizer control units, and backing up or restoring immo data. It supports complex procedures such as BMW FEM and BDC key learning with ECU adaptation, along with Mercedes infrared key programming for older and newer platforms. When paired with the XP1 key programmer, the tool enables key cloning, transponder reading and writing, EEPROM data management, and chip programming without connecting to a vehicle. Upgrading to XP1 Pro expands support to over 3,000 aftermarket keys and provides enhanced ECU chip programming functions. As a diagnostic scanner, M1 accesses all vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, anti-lock braking, and body modules. It also offers over 40 maintenance services, such as oil service reset and battery management. Smart and expert modes guide users through guided or advanced workflows, while optional accessories expand coverage for Mercedes and BMW models. There you have it, our picks for the 5 best car key programmers for 2026. Each option offers different strengths, depending on your experience level and the vehicles you work with. If this video helped, consider liking and subscribing for more professional automotive tool reviews and comparisons.